Hi, everybody. This is Bharat, Assistant Professor, Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So we have seen various topics in the earlier classes, starting from the evolution of electric vehicles, what are the basic components of electric vehicles, how does an electric vehicle work, and now we are going to get into what are the various classifications of electric vehicle. What do you mean by classifications? What are the various types of electric vehicles? That is what we are going to see in our today's topic. So what are the various classifications? So as we all know, the various classifications of electric vehicles include a PHEV, that is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Second, BEV, a battery electric vehicle. Third, an HEV, an hybrid electric vehicle. Fourth, a plug-in EV, that is PEV. And fifth, an extended range of EV that is called as EREV. So these forms the various basic components of electric vehicles. So what does these electric vehicles types or classifications deal with? Electric vehicles can be broadly classified into three major types based on the power source and design. As we saw the various classifications, the first one is the battery electric vehicles, which are purely electric vehicles that rely solely on a battery to power an electric motor. We could see the battery electric vehicles on the screen. How does this battery electric vehicle work? That is explained with the help of a power drain diagram. The power drain diagram of electric vehicles is also being shown on the screen. What is this BEV all about? So BEVs are purely electric vehicles that rely solely on a battery to power an electric motor. They do not have any internal combustion engine and produce no emissions. The battery is charged through a plug-in charger and can provide a range of several hundred miles on a single charge, depending upon the battery size and the vehicle. These battery electric vehicles are the type of electric vehicles that run slowly on the electrical energy stored in the battery. The primary components of BEV include a battery pack, an electric motor, and a power electronics, along with other systems such as regenerative braking, thermal management, and charging infrastructure. There are several advantages of using a battery electric vehicle like zero emissions, reduced operating cost, quicker operations, instant torque, convenience, energy security, etc. The various disadvantages of BEVs include limited range, charging infrastructure, long charging times, etc. Overall, battery electric vehicles are a promising transportation option for those who prioritize sustainability, low operating cost, and a smooth driving experience. As battery technology improves and charging infrastructure expands, BEVs are becoming increasingly viable option for a wider range of drivers. Next comes the next important type of electric vehicle. What is that? Yes, this is the plug-in hybrid electric vehicles. What are these plug-in electric hybrid vehicles? The plug-in electric vehicles or hybrid electric vehicles are similar to HEVs, that is hybrid electric vehicles. In that way, they have both an electric motor and internal combustion engine. However, unlike HEVs, PHEVs have a larger battery that can be charged through a plug-in charger. This allows the vehicle to operate solely on electric power for a limited range. Before the gas engine kicks in, PHEVs offer the benefits of both electric and gas-powered vehicles with increased fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. These PHEVs are the type of electric vehicles that combine an electric motor and an internal combustion engine to provide propulsion. There are various advantages of using PHEVs: increased electric-only range, flexibility, reduced emissions, and lower operating cost. Some disadvantages also: limited electric cars, electric-only range, higher upfront cost, charging infrastructure. Overall, PHEVs are good transportation option for those who want the flexibility of a gas-powered vehicle with the increased fuel efficiency and reduced emissions of an electric vehicle. Next comes the regular hybrid electric vehicle. What is this regular hybrid electric vehicle deals? What is the difference between an HEV and PHEV? Both are said to be same as that combine an electric motor and an internal combustion engine to provide the propulsion. The electric motor supplements that gas engine and improves the fuel efficiency, but the vehicle still relies primarily on gasoline as its fuel source. HEVs use a battery and an electric motor to provide power at low speeds and during acceleration, while the gas engine takes over at high speeds, and when more power is needed, the battery in an HEV is charged through the regenerative braking, which converts the kinetic energy generated during braking into electrical energy that is stored in the battery. What are the various advantages? Is increased fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, quiet operations, longer range, lower maintenance costs. Some disadvantages include higher upfront cost, limited electric only range, and regenerative braking. With all these, we have just seen in detail about what are the various classifications of electric vehicles. Next class, we'll see in detail about each type of classifications of electric vehicles. With this, I'm signing off. Thank you for watching.